The ETV M Series reach truck. Unmatched in efficiency, safety, comfort and performance. When it comes to efficiency, it features high lift heights and high residual capacity. It also has a maintenance-free integrated lithium-ion battery solution. Adjustable steering and premium seat keep me comfortable, even during long shifts, and I can set predefined lift heights for faster operation. With spotlights, camera and pedestrian sensors, you're operating a machine designed for safety. Increase your efficiency with the ETV M Series reach truck. Job done.